Hello! McDonald's is in a hot seat once again after rejecting an applicant who graduated law at the Liverpool John Moores University. She is Eve Leah Hammond, who graduated law or Bachelor of Laws at the Liverpool John University. After graduation, Eve decided to send her application at the McDonald's to apply for a job. However, she was surprised when she received the email that she got from the company. And I quote, "We've got a really rigorous selection process at McDonald's, and a large number of people apply to work with us each day. After careful consideration, we're sorry to inform you that we won't be inviting you to attend the next stage of our recruitment process. With such a high number of applications received, unfortunately, we're unable to provide you with specific feedback on your application. Thanks for your interest in McDonald's, and we appreciate the time you have taken with your application. We'd like to wish you every success in the future." So this is the email that she received from McDonald Human Resources Department. And McDonald didn't specify the reason for her rejection. And these are some of the comments or feedback from the people who reads the tweet of Eve Hammond. And I quote from Perina Ibarra, "Oh wow, have you applied for training contracts assuming you want to go into law? If you need any help, let me know. I've been on my firm's graduation recruitment interview funnel for 15 years. I can't intervene to get you an interview here, but I can give you some tips." Not entirely true. Me and most of my friends have been able to vacation schemes or training contracts in quite big law firms. None of us attend Oxbridge and or Russell Group University. Would recommend Inside Sherpa for virtual work experience. Definitely worth it. And these are the news that came in to different news channels in UK, from Birmingham, from Mirror, Tethab, Takoni, and all others websites. And ito yung naging kasagutan ni Eve Hammond, no? So, "I'm not bitter, and I was sent fuming. It was a throwaway tweet. I think it's because it's so relatable to what's going on in this situation. For other graduates, I just think it is relatable to it. There's less opportunities than there would have been before pandemic. It kind of feels like the world has stopped and there's much going on. I just posted it for a tongue-in-cheek joke. I wasn't expecting to receive that kind of attention. I was expecting like 50 likes or something. I woke up and it had like 3,000, and as the day went on, it kept on going up and up. It was just, I was just shocked. I've actually had people from McDonald's messaging me like, 'We'll have you at our McDonald's,' stuff like that.